Good morning from, or afternoon I suppose, from Seaworld Orlando. I was able to make it out today, and so I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna get some rides on a couple of the coasters, grab some food because your boy is starving. I'm gonna see if I can get in their pass holder lounge, if they have one, and see if I can grab some food there. My legs are pretty sore after the last 2 days, so this will probably be a little bit shorter of a video, but that's okay because SeaWorld is a little bit smaller of a park. As you can see, I am able to get a little bit of a peek at the new surf coaster that is coming here to SeaWorld Orlando next year. They're making some really good progress. Today is actually IAAPA here in Orlando, and I am not there. There's a rumor mill that they're going to be announcing the train car that will be on this new surf coaster, and it's a stand-up coaster. So I guess we'll see what the train car looks like. I will drop a picture in right now if it's there. Anyways, I'm gonna get myself inside, get some food because I am starving, and then I will pick you guys up here in a little while. Well, we've made it into SeaWorld, and man, is that new coaster coming together quick and looking really good. I'm gonna make my way over to Icebreaker and then grab food, because food, starving now. So there was a slight change in plans. Basically what happened is I got over to Icebreaker and it went down for maintenance something. Anyways, I decided to stop and go ahead and get food at Altitude Burger. I wanted to share, I got the Altitude Burger itself, and I wanted to share the price after my pass holder discount. After the price holder discount came out to $25.33. That 5% surcharge is a thing that I've been seeing recently. Don't know how I feel about it. Anyways, I'm gonna set the camera up and we're gonna see what I think. You'll get my reaction to a first bite of this burger. So, all right, the burger comes basically with just, the burger and some fries. Whoop. And it comes with, your standard lettuce, tomato, pickle. But it has bacon, cheese, an onion ring, special sauce, and chili on it. And of course, Icebreaker starts testing right as I sit down to eat. It's fine, I was starving anyways. So if you hear that in the background, it's Icebreaker doing its test runs before they reopen. All right, so first we're gonna go with a waffle fry. They're seasoned all right. They're a little cold, but with how slow it is today, I have a feeling things aren't moving nearly as normal as a busy day. It's okay though. I am excited to try this burger, however, and kind of get it organized. Pickles down here. All right, take a big old hunk of bite out of this and see what I think. It's pretty good, actually. Honestly, it's probably one of the best theme park burgers I've had in a hot minute. The fries, they're okay. I'm gonna dip it in some ketchup and ranch. Not ketchup and ranch, ketchup and mayo. Although ketchup and ranch probably wouldn't be awful either. All right, I'm gonna give it a score. I would say the burger is a solid 7 out of 10. The fries, like a 3. That could just because they're cold. I don't know. It's really good. I would eat it again. Anyways, I'm gonna finish eating, and I think Icebreaker's about to open up, so we're gonna go get a ride on it. Just so you guys are aware, if you are gonna rent a locker, it is $10 for a multi-use locker where you can move it from ride to ride. That is for SeaWorld and Busch Gardens. I meant to put that in the video yesterday, but here we are. $10 down. So I just got 2 rides on Icebreaker, 1 ride in the front and 1 in the rear. And I'll be honest, it's a pretty good family coaster. The problem is that they have with it is just that height requirement. 54 inches is quite tall just to be able to ride a family coaster, but hey, it's an okay ride. I really like coming to SeaWorld, especially on a quiet day like this. It's 5-minute waits on basically everything, walk-ons. So off to Mako. I lied. I am going to go to Mako, but I think I'm going to try to stop by the annual pass holder lounge to see what it has to offer, kind of like I did to Busch Gardens and Universal in the last couple videos. So, on my way to find the annual pass holder lounge. So I just got out of the pass holder lounge. If you're wondering where it is in that grill that is next to Infinity Falls. If you go in, it's right there in the middle. Obviously, it's pass holders only. They do have a free complimentary soda machine. They do not charge for it. So if you need AC, place to plug in your phone, and a place to just take a chill pill and relax for a little bit and have a drink, that's the place to go. Now, I'm off to Mako. I'm gonna get probably 3 or 4 rides on that today. Mako never misses. It is always good every time. It never gets old. Honestly, like I said at Great Adventure, I really think Mako overall is better than Nitro. Nitro's good, but man, Mako just, there's something about it. Head over to Kraken, and then I think all I have is Manta left, and the park closes in 2 hours, and I think I'll be more than done before then. And then this is the end of my trip here in Florida for this time around. I go back to the normal non-theme parking everyday thing, which is probably kind of good because damn do my legs hurt. I'll have a trip total at the end of this to tell you how much I've walked in the last 3 days at the different parks. So on to Kraken. It has been a good amount of time since I've had my ride on Kraken, so much so that I think they have painted the track since. So when I'm done riding, I'll let you know how I feel about the track repaint and if I feel like it helped the ride at all. Kraken is, in my opinion, every time good, but I did notice something. Even though it was repainted, it was still pretty rough. Real battery in the head. If I'm being honest, I kind of like Medusa, formerly Bizarro at Great Adventure, but it's still good. It's still great. Kraken deserves as much respect to put on its name because it is a quality coaster. Starting to get a little late. They close in about an hour and 15 minutes, and I don't think I'll be here till the end of the day. But let's go see how Manta's running. Also, you know you're in Florida when you can't even put your sunglasses on your face because they just fog up from the humidity. And of course, the last ride of the night, Manta. In the locker you guys go. Real quick, I just want to take a second because I think I misspoke on something when I was at Great Adventure that I have to set the record straight on. I forgot how incredible Manta was. And Superman's really good, and it's very smooth at Great Adventure. But Something about Manta, I really think I was wrong about. It is incredible. So, I have to address when I feel like I was wrong. And so, I was wrong. Manta, 10 out of 10. It's much better than Superman. It is a little bit more rough, but oh, it's so good. All right, everyone. That's going to do it for me here at Seaworld Orlando. And in turn, that also means that's going to be the end of this little Florida series that I created. I hope you enjoyed all 4 videos. Wow, 4 videos. Because I really enjoyed making them. These are my home parks and they're very near and dear to my heart. So I'm glad I got to bring you along with me. If you enjoyed this video and all the other ones, please drop a like. It lets me know and YouTube know that you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments, questions, or thoughts or things you'd like to see, please get down in that comment section and let me know. I will be sure to reply and read as much as I can. I don't think it's going to be many yet, but that's okay. I would like to have a deep understanding of what you guys really want to see. And, of course, if you want to be here for the next video, you made it this far, hopefully you'd want to be here for the next one, hit the subscribe button and hit that little notification bell. It lets you know whenever I post a video. I hope to see you at the next theme park, the next adventure, or the next roller coaster. Have a good night.